Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by assessing texture and temper. Cracked ganache often means separation. Chop chocolate small so it melts evenly. Heat cream to about 40 degrees 45 degrees C until steaming but not boiling. This temperature unlocks cocoa butter without scorching. Pour 1/3 of the hot cream over chocolate and let it sit for 60 seconds to soften the chocolate. Stir gently from center outward to encourage an emulsion. Once you see it glossy and thickening, continue with slow additions of cream as needed. You continue by forcing a proper emulsion. Whisk slowly from the center, drawing chocolate into cream to make a glossy mass. If it becomes grainy or separated, stop whisking and add a teaspoon of neutral oil or 1 tablespoon of warm cream to help bring fats back together. Whisk steadily. For very broken ganache, use an immersion blender in short bursts while holding the bowl at a slight angle. Make sure to keep speed low to avoid incorporating air and to preserve shine. You finish by controlling temperature and texture. Strain the ganache into a clean bowl to remove unmelted bits, then cool to room temperature while stirring occasionally to maintain smoothness. If you need a pourable glaze, warm gently over a bain-marie. If you want pipeable frosting, chill until it thickens. Make sure to cover to prevent a skin. Troubleshooting tip: if it reseparates, warm just to lukewarm and re-emulsify with low-speed blending or slow whisking. This usually restores gloss and stability.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.